Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discuss the important MCQs for GATE 2023 exam XC and Excel Food Engineering MCQs. So let's start. If dash heating has higher heat transfer rate than dash heating, they is dash difficult to use. A. Direct, indirect, no difficult they are used. B. Direct, indirect coil difficult to clean and is prone to bacterial growth. C. Indirect, direct, no difficult they are used. D. Indirect, direct coil difficult to clean and is prone to bacterial growth. The answer is B. Which of the following is an advantages of using pumps as heat transfer equipment? A. No stirrer required. B. Taking them to heat exchanger there are area used for heat transfer can be easily exchanged. C. No stir required and taking them to heat exchanger there are area used for heat transfer can be easily changed. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. External heat exchanger are gaining popularity as they several advantages over conventional method. Still, there is a major drawback. Which among the following is it? A. Some shear sensitive cell might get damaged due to abrasion. B. It is difficult to pump to withstand high temperature without leakage of fluid. C. All of the mentioned. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. All of the mentioned. Which of the following is a parameter to be checked before closing shape of pitch in heat exchanger? A. Easiness to clean. B. High heat transfer. C. Cost. D. All of the mentioned. The answer is D. All of the mentioned. Which of the following is untrue about scrap surface heat exchanger? A. They are unsuitable for viscous fluid. B. They are suitable for fouling fluids. C. They are used for continuous operation and have double pipe. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is A. Which of the following heat exchanger are used for the quick exchange of heat? A. Shell and tube heat exchanger. B. Plate heat exchanger. C. Scrap surface heat exchanger. D. Jacket vessel. The answer is plate heat exchanger. Which of the following is true about plate heat exchanger? A. They are used for ultra-high temperature treatment. B. Used for high temperature and short time. C. They use for ultra-high temperature treatment and also used for high temperature and short time. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. Contamination take place to high extent in plate heat exchanger. A. True. The space between plate is too less. B. False. They cannot be used for a viscous fluid. C. Cannot be determined. D. True. They can be used for thin fluid only. The answer is A. Which of the following is synonym for loss factor of food? A. Loss tangent. B. Dielectric loss. C. Loss tangent and dielectric loss. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. Which of the following is true about loss factor of food? A. It is describe quality of food. B. It is ability to food to absorb wave. C. It is represented by Z. D. All of the mentioned. The answer is all of the mentioned. Penetration depth of food refer to depth inside food inside which heat generation drop to dash percent. A 27, B 37, C 43, D 34. The answer is 37. Which of the following is untrue? A. It is difficult to predict the electric field intensity inside the food material. B. Design of oven play an important role determine the electric field intensity of food material. C. Orientation of the microwave is an important role. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is D. None of the mentioned. Any food items should be subject to micro frequency such that the dielectric constant is dash and loss factor is dash. A. Maximum minimum. B. Maximum. C. Minimum. D. Maximum. The answer is minimum. Shrewd number is dash. A. Product of segment and graph of number. B. Total mass transfer due to molecular diffusion. C. Product of segment and Reynolds number. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is B. All microwave heating can be used for drying of food containing uneven water content. It is not done for certain food products like garlic. Why? A. No pasteurization. B. Essential oil being stripped off. C. None of the mentioned. D. No pasteurization and essential oil being stripped off. The answer is A. Microwave heating is good for puff product. Why? A. The rate of heat transfer is less than the rate of moisture loss. B. The heat transfer in this food item they place too fast that instant shrink of food items due to loss of moisture content. They stay intact of hence puff. C. None of the mentioned. D. All of the mentioned. The answer is B. Which of the following is not a part of microwave heating system? A. Magnetron. B. Anode. C. Cathode. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is D. None of the. Which of the following is true will concentrating jam? A. They are sensitive to heat. B. Evaporation process for jam is carried out under vacuum. C. At vacuum, the boiling point decreases. D. All of the mentioned. The answer is D. All of the mentioned. A major reason as to why evaporator and their ascension for different application in food industry is very important is because dash. A. Organoleptic characteristic of food is very important. B. Many food items are heat sensitive. C. Majority of them have high moisture content. D. All of the mentioned reason. The answer is D. In plant evaporator, a heat transfer coefficient is high speed of low resident time because dash. A. It delayed with high viscosity food items. B. It is economic. C. Feed is made to pass as thin film. D. All of the mentioned reason. The answer is C. Ratio of equilibrium concentration of solute A in liquid phase and gas phase dash Ca and Cag respectively is alpha is called A. Diffusion coefficient. B. Distribution coefficient. C. Mass transfer coefficient. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is B. Distribution coefficient. Real number is A. A product of schemic and graph of number. B. Total mass transfer by heat transfer due to molecular diffusion. C. Product of schemic and Reynolds number. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is A. Which theory proposes that the film is continuously getting renewed and replaced by bulk liquid. A. Film theory. B. Penetration theory. C. Surface renewal theory. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is C. Surface renewal theory. Which of the following is not a measuring technique of K? A. Dynamic gassing out method. B. Static method. C. Sulfide oxidation method. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is D. None of the mentioned. Which of the following is also called as oxygen balancing method? A. Dynamic gassing out method. B. Static method. C. Sulfide oxidation method. D. None of the mentioned. The answer is static method. For more video, link in description. For daily update and study material, our Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn page. So subscribe our channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.